Hey guys, it's me, Big Mess S230 here, and today I got the Black & Decker Power Series Extreme, and then I got the Hoover Fusion cordless stick. And now, so I'm doing this video, both bins got hardly anything in them. They're basically clean, and I'm going to be comparing these two basically. So I'm gonna show you the benefits of this one, the Black & Decker. I'm gonna be showing you differences between the Hoover. Now give me a sec while I get my camera stand put up. Alright guys, I'm back. So I've got the Black & Decker here. Now, differences between this one that I like versus the Hoover, which is right here, is, well, they both have removable batteries. You push this button right here, push it in, at the same time hold it and remove the battery. This has a 2.5 amp hour battery. I've had this battery for, well, as long as I had this vacuum, about a year and a half. And this takes about 30 minutes to charge, but I've only got one for this vacuum. And both hand units come off. You push this button right here to take it off. And there's one bugbear I got about this. So I bend down, that I've had to tape. This is the clip that holds this right here into here. They break. So if you own one of these, be careful. After a certain number of uses, I've used this thing I don't know how many times, but this piece is broke. And I've taken these hand unit off a lot. So, yeah, that's one problem with it. Now, this being basically brand new, you got this blue button right here, which is actually metal on this. It's not plastic like it is on the Hoover. Take it off. Here's your hand vac. It's fairly lightweight. You can just with any of them, you can take, like, here's the tool on the bottom. Right there, there's a one tool, which is what comes with my model. I have the basic one. You take it, here's your tool, you put it right on into the end. I currently don't have the tools for the Hoover, so can't show you that, but it works the same concept. And this also has a removable battery. Push this button, battery comes out. It's Black & Decker's 2 amp hour, 20 volt Power Connect Black & Decker battery. This is a 20 volt, 2 amp hour battery. But if I come over here, put my arm in the way, I've got another spare battery for it. This is a spare, it's not a genuine one like this. You can pick these up on Amazon. I've seen them on there. The cheapest is 15 bucks. But this is the original one right here. And I'm going to put this one right here. It's got no branding on it. Right on into here. Just push it down. It clicks into place. Push the power button right there. Shows power. Turns on. Works just fine. Push it to release. This is the one that came with it, with the vacuum. putting it in. Works. Yeah, so this is the hand vac. The Black & Decker is slightly quieter than the Hoover, but the Black & Decker it has the same motor that the Dyson V6 up to the V8 Animal. It has the digital motor in it, and it wasn't up until the V10 to the V12. I don't know if you know that, but Dyson's coming out with a Dyson V12 Animal that they introduced on the V12. Instead of only having a single twin, instead of only having a single digital motor, they're coming out with two. There's going to be two digital motors in their Dyson V12. Now here's Black & Decker. You can see Power Series. Take this clip off. Power Series Extreme. Don't know how well you can see that. Maybe I'll turn it this way. Power Series Extreme. It is electrical. There's two prongs right there, which correspond up into the hand vac. Now, to remove it, you push the button like on it, remove. Again, there's two metal connections on the side right there. Now, I'm going to take this one right here, Black & Decker, which is aluminum or aluminium one, very lightweight. Coming over to the Hoover, which the Hoover has a steel one. There's not much difference between this is steel and this is aluminum. This steel is cold, this is kind of warm. But they both are very strong metal or aluminum. And there's the diameter of that. It's 32 millimeter. There's some dirt in this, yes. Now, this is slightly wider than this, but this has 3 connections. This only has 2. But, yeah. Now, moving on to the power nozzles. This is the Hoover's power nozzle, right here. Hoover 1 tunnel fusion. It's got 3 power connections. It's the same click train. This one is broke as well, right here. It is broke. That's why there's clear tape on it. This hose, the original hose that was on this was clear. It was a stretchy hose, like on my Bissell, that's under my bed. It was one of them clear stretch hoses that, I believe it was Shark, Vax, Dyson had it, and a few others where the hose would be clear. They were prone to splitting. This is not a factory hose. This is a spare old hose I had for an old Bissell carpet washer that had a hose attachment. It just happened to be in its right diameter, so I borrowed it. No longer had a carpet washer, had no use for it, it's just a spare hose. So I cut it to fit. It works. And it's got rubberized wheels, smooth running. Now, this is, where is it? This has a 2 amp motor in it, brush roll motor. It is on this side. I don't know if you can see it. There's your motor. It's right there. Now, with these. I haven't experienced the Black & Decker, but I haven't had that Black & Decker very long. The motors in these will start making a noise. Just go out and spend like $4 on a small can of WD-40. Take some WD-40. Take these take the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 screws out, and have it connected up to the vacuum. Have it running, and pour it on where the ends of them are, and the noise will stop. The motors are brushed. They do have carbon neck deposits, and this side, push this, pull the beater bar out. Here's your beater bar. It has 2 different types of brushes. You got the red ones, which are stiff, very stiff, but they're kind of flimsy on mine. You got these soft white ones. They are very soft. And this right there, right where my pointer finger's at, is where the gear is. There it is. Now, these, I have had oil this bearing in here. Take it apart, oil it. You take this, just pull it off. There's your bearing right there under all that red. That's assembly lube. I got some in there. Just, it's Mobile One, grease, whatever. It works. You don't have to take the bearing apart. You just gotta lube them. The lube will automatically go into them as they spin. Just grab it, locate it, put it in. Now lock it. I'll show you, it does work. I'm going to grab the hand unit. This is the Hoover. Putting it in. That's high, medium, then off. It does work.
Butterfinger makes eggs.
Now, Black & Decker. The Black & Decker going on only has a 1 amp motor in it. But again, I've put my drawer down here. If the motor would go out in this one, I can easily replace it because I got another one right here.
But still, the only thing he gave me was Reese's Pieces one.
If we focus, it's a V motor. There's the numbers on it. Type it in Google, it'll pop right up. These motors average about 15-20 bucks. But they are brushed. If you look inside, up in the corner, there's brushes on them. This motor has seen some use, but there are only metal connectors that connect up to them, like quick disconnects. And yeah, got a spare motor for it. Now as for the Hoover, I don't. So the motor dies. This is still under warranty. I have a 5-year warranty with it. Motor breaks, Hoover just sent me out a new nozzle. I'm good to go. But here's the Black & Decker. It's got smooth running wheels, metal caps, and now to remove the beater bar, take this right here, pull up on the brush. It's kind of stiff. This is brand new, basically. It's pretty clean up in there. It's wired. Black & Decker, this is an anti-hair wrap brush roll, which they claim is anti-hair wrap, and it is anti-hair wrap. You know, one of the best way to tell if these things ain't spinning right? Take the cap, spin them. They spin freely. It should go in multiple revolutions. Which is fine. There's your bearing. It's a good bearing. No, it just sits in there. Now to oil it, just take some like WD-40 and shove it down in that hole. You'll go right to the bearing and lube it. So if you notice on here, there's a very small groove in the end. That's where the oil goes, seeps into. Now, Black & Decker have offered these beater bars, orange beater bars right here. You know, it's got stiff bristles. These bristles are extremely stiff. Now, if these beater bars were to break, they're very easily replaced. You've got them
Hey Dylan,
course head screws and replace them. Now, just give me a sec. My mom wants me. Alright guys, I'm back. Yeah, my mom just needs some help real quick. Back to what I was showing you. This has LEDs. There's two here. Two here. They are replaceable. Now, don't be in my comment section telling me, oh, big mess test. Oh, you're going to be out there, you're going to ruin the nozzle by not having that beater bar in. You ain't going to ruin it. Just grab your hand vac, put it in there. You ain't going to ruin it. Trust me, you're not. Turn it on. See? They're bright LEDs. 1, 2. Now, take your beater bar. Put it, angle it. This is start on this one, which equals up with that end. Oh. Let me finish showing you what I'm doing. Now, I'm going to take them and assemble all these for carpet using. So, take this, put it into here. It will click into place. The Black & Decker, here. The Black & Decker stands up by itself. She's freestanding. The Hoover doesn't. Oh, the exhaust filters right here. Grab this tab. It's kind of stiff. Pull it out. There is dust, but I've got a scent pad underneath. So every time I use it, it smells good. We'll just wash this in warm, soapy water. You have that blue Dawn dish washing liquid. Just pour a little bit of that on there. You got like a scrub brush or something like that. Scrub it. Make sure it's completely dry. Put it in there. Yeah, blow dryer. Use blow dryer. Blow dry it. I've done it with this filter a couple times. Nothing wrong with it. Just take it back. Stick it in there. And I'm just going to take its tool holder right here. Clip it back down onto here. Have it right here. Now, move the Black & Decker out of the way. Oh, I will leave a link for the Black & Decker and the Hoover in my description if you would like to go purchase any of these. I am not sponsored by Hoover or Black & Decker in any way. I'm just wanting to throw that out there. So if you do go buy these, it's not going to benefit me one bit. I wish it would, but it don't. Now, give me a second so I can firmly secure this onto here. I'm going to pause the video real quick. Alright guys, I'm back. So, I'm going to take the Hoover, take you off my camera stand, and show you vacuuming some of my carpet in my room. Give me a sec while I pull you guys off your guys' stand. Alright guys, so I'm going to turn the Hoover on. Now I'm going to vacuum that section of carpet right there. And I'm going to be using the Hoover with the beater bar on. It's only got 1 bar charge. Let's vacuum. That will be something in the beater bar. I can't help with that. You guys see that noise? That's what it is. So that's the fur ball the Hoover picked out. And now I'm going to go over to Black & Decker. The Black & Decker only has a single cyclone. The Hoover over there has a dual cyclone. Now, turn on the Black & Decker. You see it's got 3 bars. You can turn it on and off right here. It's a brush hole symbol. Push it, turns it on and off. Now, I'm going to vacuum this area right here. It grooms the carpet extremely well. It has 3 power modes, which I will show you. Fill the beater bar. Now you see the slider switch right here? That's me. This is low, medium, and high. You can hear the difference. It's all like dirt. That's that Hoover mix. Alright. I need to address something. So, you guys have been in my comments. Yes, I'm great that you guys have been commenting on my videos. But, you guys have been leaving some unnice comments. If you guys can't leave a nice comment in my videos, just don't comment at all. Now, I've been noticing, I've gotten tons of comments about that stealth shop vac. Yes, that video's got around almost 300 views. Yes, I greatly appreciate the views. Now, you guys, I had to take that vacuum back. First of all, I didn't like how it performed. Second of all, the top of where the motor is got too hot. It's not supposed to do it. So, I bought the Bissell PowerForce Compact, which is right there. That's my nice little vacuum collection. So, that's what sums up that. So, please stop leaving comments in my videos like about that. It does aggravates me. So, stop, please. Now, like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos like this. Bye-bye.